Home Remedies presents 10 unbelievable uses of garlic oil no one told you about. Hi guys, good day to all my viewers. Hope you all are in good health. I'm Rabia, and in today's video my goal is to help you know the amazing aid garlic oil can offer your home and family. So I recommend to watch the video till the end to get full information, and without any more wait, let's start. Garlic oil has been proved to bring down the risk of cardiovascular diseases by regulating blood pressure and high cholesterol. But it can be used as a remedy for a host of your regular day-to-day woes too. Here are a couple of them. Lowers bad cholesterol. According to a study published by the American Journal of Nutrition, garlic oil has a cholesterol reducing effect. Cures cancer. The anti-cancer agents in medical chemistry study says that the diallyl disulfide compounds found in garlic have the ability to cure breast cancer cells. Protects against cold. Garlic cloves are considered effective in protecting the body against cold. All you need to do is to heat the garlic cloves in mustard oil and apply the oil on the skin before taking bath. This makes a layer on the body, acts as a moisturizer, and also protects against cold. Controls acne. If you don't know, garlic oil is full of essential nutrients and contains selenium, allicin, vitamin C, vitamin B6, copper, and zinc that helps control acne. The anti-inflammatory properties help soothe inflamed skin. Just combine a few drops of garlic oil to a mud pack. Apply the smooth paste on your face, let it rest for 10 minutes and rinse it off with water. Fight skin issues. According to a study conducted by the Journal of Nutrition, garlic has antifungal properties that help treat candida, psoriasis, malassezia, and the dermatophytes. All you need to do is to sprinkle mildly heated garlic oil on the affected areas once a day for a week and see the change. Treats dandruff and prevents hair fall. Garlic oil with its high anti-inflammatory properties and sulfur helps calm inflamed skin and prevents itchiness caused by dandruff. Regular oiling of your hair and scalp with garlic oil can improve blood circulation in the scalp area, further boosting hair health and preventing hair breakage and loss. To treat both the conditions, all you need to do is to gently massage the scalp with warm garlic oil. Leave overnight and wash off next day with a mild shampoo. Controls toothache. Sprinkle a few drops of garlic oil on a cotton ball and press it in the affected tooth area for about 15 to 20 minutes. This should ease your pain instantly. It also reduces bacterial infection and controls tooth decay. Relieves ear infection. Sprinkle a few drops in the ear and place a cotton ball inside your ears for some time. It will fight against bacterial infection while also easing the pain. Good for cardiovascular health. According to a study, garlic contains organic polysulfides that help relax vascular smooth muscles and lower blood pressure. Effective decongestant. If you are suffering from congestion due to dust and pollution, heat some garlic in cow ghee and apply on the chest right before going to bed at night. This oil acts as a decongestant and provides instant relief. Now, as we know all these benefits of garlic oil, let's now see how to make it. Ingredients: 1 garlic clove, 1/4 cup extra virgin olive oil. Increase the quantity as required. Preparation: peel the garlic and then crush all the cloves and then cook them in a saucepan along with olive oil. Heat this mixture on low heat for 12 to 18 minutes. Make sure you don't overheat the oil, else you will end up burning it. Now remove the pan from the heat, allow to cool completely, stir every few minutes during the process. Pour the mixture in an airtight glass jar. Your homemade garlic oil is ready to use. Store refrigerated for up to a month. You can swap out harmful vegetable oils in your regular cooking for garlic oil though, which means you are actually consuming a good amount of omega-3 fatty acids that not only protect your cardiovascular system but also adds an extra level of protection in the body. Now that you have your garlic infused olive oil, it's time to test it out. If you liked the video and found it informative and helpful, click the like button and subscribe to my channel for new videos daily. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Share on your social networks to help others benefit from it too. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.